welcome back to another video. I recently went shopping, and when I say shopping, I mean I went thrift shopping. So we're going to be taking these 4 items and revamping them and making them look just a little bit better. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos like these. Push the bell to turn on push notifications, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so the first piece I'm going to be working with is this Okay But First coffee sweatshirt. So for this I have 2 metal zippers and some scissors. So let's go. I also have a hot glue gun because I didn't buy fabric glue, but I would highly recommend using fabric glue if you want this to last a while. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the waistband of this because, sorry, I don't like waistbands on my sweatshirts, so as straight of a line as we possibly can get. Also going to have to get different scissors because those aren't even sharp enough. Alright, so now we have that off. We're going to give this a little tug. Alright, so now it is time for the zipper, which I'm a little scared about, not going to lie. I'm just cutting the seam out of the side of the shirt. That's literally all I'm doing. Honestly, I'm going to cut the extra off of the zipper. Alright, and then we're just going to add this to the inside of our shirt here. That looks so cool. Like, if this actually turns out, I'm going to be so happy. I'm no Lord DIY, guys, but I'm sure as heck trying. Alright, so our sweatshirt is now done. We kind of cropped it a little bit, and it's got the zippers on the side, which I think makes it look so cool. With this next shirt, I'm literally just going to be cropping it because, first of all, I don't like how it like sways out at the bottom. I think that's really kind of weird. So all I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to crop it. But I do think it'd be really cool if I found some lace with like the pattern of the pocket, because there is like a lace pocket. I think it'd be really cool if I added the lace, like added some lace on the bottom, like once I do crop it. So I might go to Hobby Lobby in the future and see if I can find that lace. But otherwise, today, we're just going to crop it. My only thing is I don't really know. This shirt is kind of a weird... just weird. I don't know. So it's not just going to be cropped. I'm going to make like a little tie in the front too. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So for this last shirt, it's just the shiny tank top. And I'm actually just going to be like ripping out the back more or less. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. So we're just going to like fold it in half this way. And then we're literally just going to be taking our scissors and just cutting slits all the way down. And then we're just going to pull it up and then stretch it out. And that's your completed look for that one. Alright guys, so our last thing to thrift flip are these jeans, so let's do it. So my thought is for the back pockets I'm going to use these like square studs, and then on the fronts down the side we're going to use these like really pokey studs. They're actually kind of pokey though, so I'm a little nervous, but I think they're going to turn out really good, so I'm excited. Let's go. Alright, well I think we're just gonna go for it. I don't know. I'm scared. Next we have these like screw-on studs, and they're like really pointy. We're just gonna line these up down the side of the pant, like the front of the pants, and then I guess you just like screw it on. I'm gonna try to tighten this on. I don't know, this might be a very long process as well.